Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Fatir. You are highly welcome back to our online Quran class. Now, in today's lesson, we're going to proceed from where we stopped on our last lesson. What has to do with a long vowel sound, Fatha, Alif Madi, Waw Madi, and Ya Madi. These are the three main things we talk about. Now, inshallah, we're going to proceed from where we stopped in our last lesson. Now, what does Alif Madi means? The simple meaning of Alif Madi is Alif that is there, that you can see, that is there for nothing but to prolong the alphabet before it. If it is Wa Madi, it means the Wa that is there to prolong or to elongate the previous alphabet, the alphabet before it. If it is Ya Madi, it means Ya that is there to prolong or elongate the alphabet before it. So the simple meaning of madi is elongation, to make, to stretch something, to elongate, to prolong it, to make it longer than normal. You know, ba fatha is ba. If it is ba fatha alif madi, because of that alif madi there, you're going to say ba. If it is ba kesra ya madi, you're going to say b because of that ya. So like I said in our last class, kesro and ya they work together. If you see kesro and ya, that ya it's ya madi. If you see Doma on any alphabet, then the next thing after it is Wa. That Wa is Wa Madi. If you see Fatha on any alphabet, and the next thing after it is Alif, that Alif there is Alif Madi to prolong it. So let's proceed. Now, so Bod Fatha, Alif Madi. Bo, Dot Duma, Wa Madi. Du, Lam Fatha, Alif Madi. La, Lam Duma, Wa Madi. Lu, Lam Kesro, Ya Madi. Li, Nun Kesro, Ya Madi. Ni, excuse me. Nun Fatha, Alif Madi. Na, Nun Duma, Wa Madi. Nun, Ro Kesro, Ya Madi. Ri, Ro Duma, Wa Madi. Ru, Ro Fatha, Alif Madi. Ro, To Duma, Wa Madi. Tu, To Fatha, Alif Madi. To, To Kesro, Ya Madi. Ti, Dal Kesro, Ya Madi. Di, Dal Fatha, Alif Madi. Da, Dal Duma, Wa Madi. Du, Ta Kesro, Ya Madi. Ti, Ta Fatha, Alif Madi. Ta, Ta Duma, Wa Madi is what? Tu, Zo Kesro, Ya Madi is Zi. Ro Fatha, Alif Madi is Ro. Ro Duma, Wa Madi is Zu. Val Fatha, Alif Madi is Dha. Val Duma, Wa Madi is Zu. Zu. This is the. This is Fa. Fi. Fu. Zu. Za. Zi. Sa. Su. Si. Si. So. Su. Fa. Fu. Fi. Wu. Wa. Wi. Ba. Bu. Bi. Ma. Mi. Mu. This is Mim. Kesroya Madi. Mi. So now this is an exercise for us to practice what we just learned, the Alif Madi. So now this is Raw Fatha Alif Madi Raw Kof Fatha Ko equals to Raw Ko. Raw Ko. That's an exercise. So Raw Duma Wa Madi is what? Ru. Mim Duma Mum equals to what? Rumo. Rumo. Alif Fatha Alif Fatha A. Ba Fatha Alif Madi Ba. Haba. Haba. Ko Fatha Alif Madi Ko. Lam Fatha La. Qala. Qala. Alif Fatha A. Lam Fatha Alif Madi La. Ala. Ala. Now let's read it. Zada. This is an exercise for you to practice. Kama. Tola. إذا Dino. So the mixed exercise of short vowel sound and long vowel sound. So that's what we are doing now. Jada, riha, bala, zuru, zuru, bala, yina, kana, fadhu, fama, lafi, yaka, taki, jidi, nuhu, qila, طور بني لذو نسي بما غفو مات رحي فومي تقى فيك جذا ذاق كري هاتي جود عاد دون طالوت طالو and two. طا فاتحة ألف مادي طا لام دوما واو مادي لو تا دوما two. So two long vowel sounds and one short vowel sound. طالوت. The same here. جالوت جالوت هاروت. This is ha fatha alif madi. This is rodoma wa madi ru haru nun fatha na haruna haruna. Ba kesro bi ba fatha alif madi ba bi ba kesro bi lam fatha la bila 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 haruta wa maruta. Let's take this in. Haruta wa Maruta. Haruta wa Maruta. So that marks the end of our lesson today, inshallah Rahman. Kindly do well to like, follow, subscribe, and share to your loved ones. And wait for the next lesson, inshallah Rahman. If you would love to enroll your children or you yourself who want to learn about Quran or how to read Quran from the beginner level, from A to Z, inshallah Rahman, kindly send a message and experience a, a good and a nice curriculum, inshallah, Rahman, in a fun way. Assalamu alaikum. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Fassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.